Hello everyone, and welcome to DePaul Housing's premier orientation video. My name is Mark Lutker, and I'm the Marketing and Communications Coordinator for DePaul Housing. You are the reason we are enthusiastic for every new academic year, and we are here to support you in any way we can as you pursue your higher education. We know that many of you have questions about COVID-19, coming to campus, and navigating your first year at DePaul. While we cover some information in this video, the most thorough and up-to-date information will be on our website on the Return to Campus page. Specific FAQs for each quarter will also be available. We encourage you to bookmark these pages and check back for updates, as our policies and procedures are constantly being reviewed and updated to ensure the utmost safety of our residents. Now on to our regularly scheduled orientation programming. In the rest of this video, we will talk a bit about what we do at Housing and our presence on campus. We'll also discuss move-in guidelines and tips, and look at what resources are available to you as you live on campus. Okay, so what do we do? We organize and prepare for our large events like move-in and move-out, making the process simple and safe for everyone. And there wouldn't be a move-in at all without our department assigning rooms, meal plans, and roommates, all topics you can contact us about anytime. We are continuously maintaining our residence halls while looking out for improvements, so this means that any issues you may have, such as a leaky faucet or faulty lighting, can be communicated to us via online work orders on our website. Our department also staffs all of our residence hall front desks. And lastly, we strive to foster a home away from home where you have everything you need to get the most out of your college experience. We have residence halls on both our Lincoln Park and Loop campuses. In Lincoln Park, we will have 4 residence halls where our first-year students primarily will live. Upperclassmen and transfer students go through a process called room selection in spring, where they can choose their campus apartment. Apartments have kitchens, bathrooms, and the extra convenience of being right next to class. In the Loop, we offer suites and apartments in the center of downtown at the University Center. We work with Peak Campus, who owns and operates the building, to provide housing and meal plans to our students. Residents living at the University Center should note that you will receive a separate UC ID for security, laundry, and your meal plan. Overall, the main difference in housing this fall is a reduction in occupancy, and there will be no more than 4 residents sharing a bathroom in residence halls. Living on your own in a major city like Chicago can be a stressful but new and unique experience for both locals and those from out of state. We want to make your transition as easy as possible and provide you with all the basics so you can focus on everything else. On Lincoln Park campus, we have a centralized, secure mail center on the 3rd floor of the Student Center, and laundry is included in all residence buildings. If you live in the University Center, they have their own mailroom and paid laundry on your UC ID. Also, by living in campus housing, you receive a Philo TV streaming account and, of course, wireless and wired internet connections, because we all know without a doubt how important that is. Okay, on to move-in. It would look mostly like years prior, except for instead of everybody coming at once, we will have reserved move-in time slots to provide social distancing. If you have applied for housing, you will receive an email to reserve your time. Our move-in plan is still under development, but all updates and instructions will be available online at go.depaul.edu/movein. Additionally, we encourage you to limit social interaction 14 days before move-in to protect the health and safety of your peers. To make things a little easier, here are a few tips from housing about move-in. Number 1, less is more. Now more than ever, we recommend packing light if you can, given the unpredictability of COVID-19 and its potential impact on student housing. Don't use large trailers or moving trucks or mail belongings in advance because the mail center won't be open yet. Also, review the prohibited items list online, as prohibited items will be turned away at move-in or confiscated. So you might ask, Mark, what should I bring then? Well, our rooms are fully furnished, so you don't have to bring anything large. I recommend warm comforts like pillows and comforters, an affordable lightweight mirror, a desk lamp so you're not straining your eyes while you're working, and storage organizers to declutter. And a hamper too. You can also consider renting a micro fridge microwave combo from our vendor partner at bedloft.com. If you rent through them, they will deliver your micro fridge to your room before you arrive and remove it once you leave. And here's what all of our rooms have. A desk for you to put that lamp on, a loftable bed frame and mattress that can be set at several different heights without the use of tools, and a storage space for each resident in the room. Residence halls have kitchens and common areas, but please note that we are still developing distancing procedures that will be posted in these areas as well as the laundry rooms. Please note that only one TV, fridge, and microwave are allowed per room. And also, please again review the prohibited items list online and in the Guide to Student Housing. Here are a few standout items from that list. Assignment confirmations will be emailed out on a rolling basis this summer, and you can review your roommate assignment, roommates, and meal plan on your housing portal at myhousing.depaul.edu. We encourage you to connect with your roommates if possible, either via Facebook or in the DMs if that's your style, to coordinate your move-in and avoid duplicate items as I said before. Room change requests typically become available 2 weeks into the quarter, but we are still deciding on this procedure for fall 2020. Information will be available on the webpage go.depaul.edu/roomchanges and in our FAQs. Dining services operate separately from housing, but we work very closely with them to ensure quality food and access to healthy and alternative options. Having food security is fundamental to your success, and we require all students living on campus and in University Center suites to have a meal plan. Meal plans can be changed any time before the dates listed on our meal plans page, and the change becomes effective at the beginning of the following quarter. If at any time you need to view or add funds, you can do so on your Campus Connect or UC Resident Services portal. You can view our meal plan options at go.depaul.edu/mealplans and view the available menus at dineoncampus.com/DePaul or in their app. For fall 2020, online ordering and pickup will be available to reduce congregated seating. Using your meal plan consists of two parts, meal swipes and flex dollars. Meal swipes provide you all you care to eat dining in our dining halls, and they can be used for meal exchanges to get combo items at participating locations around campus. Meal swipes are distributed weekly and do not roll over from quarter to quarter. Flex dollars are primarily used outside of dining halls at several locations around campus, such as Brownstone's Coffee in the Student Center or the Etc. convenience shop where you can get to-go items and toiletries. Flex dollars work as a declining balance and are distributed at the beginning of each quarter. They roll over each quarter until the end of spring quarter. Our meal plans are convenient to use by being tied to your DePaul IDs and usable across all of campus. Daily menus are viewable online and in the app so you can plan what you want to get. If you have food allergies, you can visit dineoncampus.com/DePaul to receive a self-identification for personalized service. If your allergy is life-threatening, we recommend notifying the Center for Students with Disabilities. Providing safety and peace of mind is a major goal of ours, and we do so through close communications with public safety and a proficient front desk and check-in system. Public safety is available 24/7 and can be reached at these numbers for each campus. They also operate and respond to the blue emergency phones that are placed throughout the Lincoln Park campus. Public safety runs the DPU alert system that we recommend you opt into on your Campus Connect portal. This system will alert you by text and email if an event occurs on either campus that will inform your safety as you navigate the city. Our front desks of each hall are staffed 24/7 with students during the day and a professional security staff overnight. Getting into your hall requires you to swipe your DePaul ID to get into the main lobby and to verify your ID with the front desk before swiping in again to access the residences. As of July 2020, no social guests are allowed and masks are required in public areas. All safety guidelines are viewable online. We adapt to CDC and city guidelines, so again, policies and procedures are always changing. If you are following the news and a new development has occurred, you will likely receive a communication from us and our site will be updated, so be on the lookout. Here's a brief look at our campus partners. Feel free to take a screenshot for reference later. Student Centers is a part of our department and provides the management and facilities operation of the Stu in Lincoln Park and the DePaul Center in the Loop. Both have dining halls and are likely the locations of many major events you will attend as a student, as well as the offices of several student support services and departments. Dining at DePaul is its own department, but we work very closely with them because we assign meal plans, and dining is inseparable from having everything you need to thrive on campus. They are in charge of the dining experience and facility operations, and work tirelessly to improve the experience and sustainability efforts. Their most current information is available at dineoncampus.com/DePaul. Residential education works with us side by side to ensure our student-resident experience is bolstered through engagement, peer and staff support, and recreation. They provide our halls with residential advisors and directors who serve as an accessible contact for literally anything you want to talk about, whether it's a problem you're facing or simply socializing. And last but not least are our many student support services. There are many more than we listed here, but mainly know that if you contact any office for help and they think we need to be looped in, they will do so. One more note before we go. Checking out campus is a bit more difficult than it used to be, but you can tour it virtually at housing.depaul.edu/virtual tour. There, you can look around campus, enter the residence halls, and see 360 views of our room layouts to help plan ahead. Here's our contact information and social media handle. Follow us if you'd like. We post important information, campus highlights, and the occasional housing meme or two if we can manage to find them. As of July 1st, we plan to return to the office sometime in August, and we will be available for calls. Until then, you can always email at us at housing@depaul.edu and utilize the new chat feature we have added to our website, housing.depaul.edu. Outside of our Return to Campus page and FAQs, these are the best avenues to reach us for more information. We will continue to do our best to answer all of your questions. Thank you so much for watching this video. We are so excited for you to be joining us on campus, and remember, we're here to support you no matter what. Never hesitate to reach out to us with questions or anything else you need. Stay well, everyone, and we'll see you in the fall.